Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase or decrease a text box font size using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this edit option, and this edit section you will find this edit text and select a text. Now click on this text box, text border, and select this text box. Now you can increase decrease this text box font size and see this, and you cannot increase this height and bottom because you have to click on this text box and press enter key for your keyboard. You can increase this text box and see this, and wide you can increase this way. See this. Also, if you want to decrease this text box font, and simply press back space for your keyboard and see this decreases. And similarly, you can increase this text box and also increase this wide. See this. Yeah, this is. In this way, you can increase or decrease a text box font size in your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.